Manual point cloud classification editing. Click Classification, Start Edit, to enter edit mode. Classification editing can only be performed after entering edit mode. Set the source class and target class on the left panel. Select the point cloud to be modified using box selection or brush selection. Perform automatic classification editing on features such as roads. Continuous drawing is supported. Double-click to end the current operation. Classification results are updated in real time. Exiting edit mode automatically saves the classification results. Misclassified results in the software can be manually refined. Locate incorrectly classified point cloud points on buildings. Modify the source class and target class. Select the point cloud to be modified using box selection or brush selection. After confirming the selection, the class is automatically updated. Successfully classified a clean building. Switch to Profile View for detailed editing. Edit ground points in the Profile View. Continuous box selection drawing is supported for fine adjustments. Perform ground point classification within the edited area. Used for localized ground point optimization. Enable dynamic DEM as a reference. Auxiliary judgment of terrain change trend. Add points to missing areas. Remove abnormal or redundant points. Add and remove points more precisely in the profile view. Fine-tuning of classification results completed.